Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones BOSE QuietComfort 35. You have to start by open App Store and now go to search. Click on search line and write BOSE. Now search. Scroll down and you should install this application. Hello, 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 check, I agree, skip, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave a like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!